Benee song, Marry Myself. This is how I think it's being played on the recording. But I'll show you another way to play it that's a little easier. But start out with F major 7. We go to E minor 7. So we're going 8th fret for the F, 7th fret for the E minor 7. Then we go 5th fret for D minor 7. And then we go 3rd fret for C major 7. I'm playing all these with the 5th string root on your A string, so you're not playing out the low E string at all. F major 7, E minor 7, D minor 7, C major 7. Now, the easier way to play this would be to, you could do a minor chord as a substitute for the 7. It's just like a minor chord, except play it with these 3 fingers. And then take your index finger and place it on the low E. And then the A string, you're not playing, you're muting it by laying your finger over it. Then we go to E minor 7. That's just a 1 finger chord. Hold down the A string at the 2nd fret. Probably play it on just more the high end though. And then D minor 7. That's just like an F chord, like your beginner F, except you don't play the ring finger. You just play it. You leave the D string open. And then C major 7 is just like a C chord without your index finger. So okay, thanks for watching. Have fun playing it. Bye.